The ACT English test will include 10 or more questions that test your ability to organize the ideas and selections logically. You'll need to make choices based on the logical order of complete sentences, the order of paragraphs, choosing between appropriate transitional phrases, determining the most appropriate openings, transitions, and closings, and finally, decide on if a sentence is relevant given the context of the paragraph. So as a rule, avoid sentences that have the same meanings multiple times within a sentence. It's more clear to have a point stated once. If you find two choices that are synonyms, then you can eliminate them both. So let's begin with how to decide on organizing ideas logically. The test will have choices checking your ability to organize ideas, meaning finding the most logical order from sentences within a paragraph or of paragraphs within an essay. You could even be asked about the most effective introductory sentence for an essay or paragraph. Well-written paragraphs are usually organized with a certain pattern. There is no one pattern that should be used for all paragraphs, so you must read the selection carefully and decide on an organizational pattern that makes sense. The following list gives you the most common choices for organization. First, chronological order. This is where you put sentences in the order that events happen within a paragraph. Another one is most important statements to least important. Another way to organize is using a general statement and taking that to specific facts or details, or use most specific details and take that to the most general statement. So it's the opposite of the previous. What you should do is read the selection and look for a pattern of organization like the ones we just listed. If there is a logical pattern, then decide which choice the ACT test provides that fits that general pattern. This will be the correct answer. To help determine what organizational pattern makes most sense, find details that support a statement within the selection. This support may be given by providing examples, explanations about the statement, or details that provide further explanation. This will lead you to the main idea. Then decide on how the details support the main idea. Is the idea supported by evidence given in the order that it happened, by details in order of importance, or perhaps by general statements that are followed by more precise details? Find the sentence or statement that does not follow that pattern, and then you'll have found the sentence that needs to be reorganized to fit the pattern. So in conclusion, expect questions checking your ability to organize sentences into a logical pattern, and use the stated organizational patterns to lead you to the right answer.